What's going on, traders? This is Mike with Tactical Traders doing some post-market scans today, August the 27th, and right now I am looking at ticker symbol MVIS, and I had the daily chart pulled up over the past year. And in the last couple of months, we have seen some great price action from this ticker. They both have definitely been in control, and the range of this ticker is pretty impressive. Definitely a lot of areas to make money on, whether you're swing trading or day trading. And this is a penny stock, so I always want to say just use extreme caution when trading this and never short penny stocks. I am 100% against that. The risk is just not there. Anyways, moving back on to the chart. So on the daily, I'm just going to highlight some areas of interest and show you where we can be looking at possibly making some trades or in some profit-taking areas. And before I get into that in detail, please like the video, subscribe to our channel. It's always great to have some new subscribers, and we are making these videos daily for you. And moving on back to the charts. So we see that there's some resistance right around this 180 range since the price really started moving around. So you can see early on in the chart, I'm going to zoom up a little bit. Early on, about 4 months ago, the initial breakout that made this really nice bullish move jumped up and then it stopped right around this 180 area. So this is resistance right here. Price did fall back down and then had this nice trend going up. And I'll highlight that for you as well. So the price did bounce off the 200 SMA. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. It did bounce off that SMA and then continued up in a nice triangle pattern. The range did get tighter and tighter before breaking out past that resistance at 180. And again, right here, it did act as 180 resistance too. As the price broke out of this, it was retested the following day as support confirmed, going up higher in the pullback and being tested here, bouncing again, being tested again, and then failing that area of support. And now, traditionally, when areas of support are broken down, they tend to become resistance in the future, and vice versa for resistance. So if resistance is broken to the upside, that resistance is always nice to see become support, and it's very likely to become support. So because that 180 was broken down, it has become resistance again in today's price action, where the bulls did push the price up to this 180 area, and then bears pushed it down for the majority of its trading volume right here around this 150 range. So now going into a more intraday, more recent time action, we have the 10-day, 30-minute chart here, and you can see in the last 2 days, the price has again had a nice bullish trend, and it has had a, let's highlight that, a nice bullish trend going up here, and again hitting resistance, as you can see a little bit more closer at the 180. The price has pulled back from that resistance and now started to form. And again, this is extended hours, this gray area, so I'm not going to pay too much attention to that. This is traded on a lot less volume, and I do not see this price action as 100% accurate just because of how thinly it's traded in after hours. So anyways, you can see the price did pull down here and bouncing off the lower trend line again. So this trend line, this bottom trend line, is something that we're absolutely going to be on watch for, and you're going to want to see the price stay above this and below that for another area of support. That if this trend does fail slightly, watch this orange 50 SMA. These SMAs can act as support and resistance, much like the support and resistance areas. So because price is trading above the 200 SMA and the 50 SMA, I'd like to see these act as support. And as long as the price can stay above these, I think we're going to continue on this bullish trend. However, the price does fall below this. Me personally, I will probably not be looking to enter the trade long. I will be looking for another setup as time unfolds. So intraday, we are also going to be watching probably, I'd say this 165. Oh, whoops, excuse me on that. This 165 area. It looks like there was a good amount of, come on. There we go. A good amount of times that in the after part of the day and the after half part, I can't even talk today. The price did bounce up a little bit, but was really having a tough problem getting above that 165. So look for the price to bounce off this lower trend line, push up, and then go past the 180 with an increase of volume behind it. That increase of volume is going to be key, especially with these penny stocks. You're going to want them to be liquid, and you're going to want that volume there to really cement the bullish movement. Well, traders, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you took some information out of it and had some value to you. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. These videos are going up daily and we're highlighting these areas of interest, so hopefully you can make a profitable trade on them. If you really want to get in depth with us and you really want to go over these tickers, check out our chat room. We have a free 30-day trial going on right now for our chat room. First time we've ever done this. You can get access through tacticaltraders.com. Go on there and you'll see all the information you need. Also, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and StockTwits. And until next time, traders, stay profitable.